Hello student, how are you? So in the previous class we have learned about this generation wise computer language. So today we are going to learn the computer software. So what is a software? Software is a program of a computer. From this program computer know that what he have to do. Like if we have to do any mathematical operation, or we have to search any data, or we are doing any word processing. So this kind of activity, how computer will know? By this application software or any kind of software, whatever are installed there, okay, in a computer. So that means, so by this software computer know what have to do, or when or how it have to work. This all kind of interaction the computer will know by this software program, okay. So mostly there are two kind of main software. That is what one is system software, in other is application software. So what are system software? System software means the software for this hardware. Hardware means for the CPU, or for the printer, or for this other hardware system like Xerox machine, or this keyboard or mouse. For that, what this software need, that is the software are called system software. So in a system software, there what we get? Operating system. So operating system means how the computer, when we click the switch on button, when we click, when we start button, we click the start button, that time the operating system will work and the computer will open. Again, other device driver, that means the driver means the system to run a computer hardware. So these all called device driver software. So we have to install the device driver software for run a computer, okay. So whenever we buy a new set of computer, that time first we have to install this system software, and later we have to install application software. Whenever we install system software, that time the hardware system will work, okay, and other whatever tasks we have to do in a computer like word processing or other activity, that time we have to install application software. So again you can see here utility program, whatever they are, we have this computer have to work, or it have to maintain the relation between other this device, like in between printer or other machine or USB, or in between keyboard or mouse. That time this utility software are needed. And again other is what? Language processors. So this machine language processor means our interaction or data, how the computer will learn by some language that in the previous class we have discussed. This language processor software will help in this time that the computer will know our interaction, okay, by this language processor software. So these are the system software. That means these all software we have to install in the hardware system of a computer, okay. So if we are going to buy a new computer set, at first what we have to install? System software. So all this kind of software we get in a disk. So we have to install these all disks in a first in system software, that means in a CPU, okay. So again see application software. So other part is what? Application software. That means in this application software there are two kind of applications. One is general purpose, that means word processing like MS Word 2007 or 2010, painting or graphic designing software, or MS Excel or Adobe Photoshop. This kind of software are called general purpose software. In other software is what? Customized software. That customized software means that is one fixed software like a bank server software, or any software this company software, where together they have a fixed software where they usually work, okay. Like bank server, we can give an example where the all bank official will work in a fixed software. So this kind of software is called customized software, okay. So nowadays in our some mobile application also are maximum are customized software. Okay. So what we have learned that there are two kind of software. One is system software, that means it is mainly directly installing the hardware system, okay, in a CPU. Again, other is what? Application software. Application software are two types. One is general purpose, to do our general activity like MS Word or this other application, whatever nowadays we are using. And other is customized software, that means a fixed software. So we have already discussed these all. Okay, so you can also learn this by your book. If you read this page number 5, you will learn about this. So you can see here this picture also. So in the next class we will do other whatever remaining part are there, the number system or other this checkpoint we will do, or we will do other exercise also. So till then, take care of your health. So have a nice day.